Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Just a quick video today. New watch, got it from Amazon. I was after a particular look for a watch and I couldn't find one, and I stumbled upon one in Amazon. So I thought I'd get it. As you can tell, it's another Citizen. Yes, I'm a bit of a Citizen fanboy. Just take that out to there. Yeah, I was looking for a particular style, sort of field style watch, and I came across this one. It is the Citron. No, not the Citron. The what? Citizen, even. Citron, listen to me. BM8560-11X. Okay. Yeah, XE. Yeah, it says X on the page, but XE on the box. Just to confuse everyone. Now, the reason I ended up buying this particular one was because of the specifications. Now, I got this on Amazon, as I say. I'll put a link in the description. And I picked it up for around £150. Go, slide it out. Normal side sliding Citizen box there. Usual recycle stuff. And it was coming, as I say, because of some of the specifications on this watch. So, as you can see from that, it's an Eco Drive. Now, if you follow the channel, you will know I do like a good Eco Drive from Citizen. Instruction manual. Don't think I've got one of those in the last couple of Eco Drives I've had, but I will take a read of that. International guarantee. I will end up registering this. And it's from Amazon. It comes with a 5-year guarantee, which I think is great. And here is the watch. Oh, right. So, the thing about this watch is it is an Eco Drive, which is great. I do like an Eco Drive watch. It's very well packaged, actually. Oh, it says pulling it out. And here we go. Eco Drive. It's titanium, super light. I think it's about 50 grams, I think, and it's also sapphire crystal. Day date. Oh, look at that. That is nice. I think somewhere on the back here it says sapphire. It's always a nice matte finish on the back. Yep, sapphire. There you go. As I say, Eco Drive. Nice brown sort of field style stitch strap. It's a greeny sort of grey dial. I hope that comes across on the video. And there we go. As I say, just a quick video. I really want to wear this over the next few days. Some really nice finishing on that. And I'll get a review up soon. Just a quick unboxing. Thanks to everybody who has commented and liked and subscribed recently. It's great to speak to you all, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.